Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And I just have to tell you one thing, I have no idea. I mean, this is going to be a bit of, I have to show you this one though, guys, because of course the trading room, we're all talking about this one. This is PBTS, and this is a China stock. And this started at 37 cents, okay, 37 cents, and it is now at $1.35. It got as high as 150. And the amazing thing to me is that, first of all, there's no news on this whatsoever that we can find. You know, the room was scouring for news. We could not find any news. But, you know, for a stock like this, look how orderly it was. I mean, had a little base there, little base here, and pop. This, to me, is the amazing part of this one. What makes this trade great right now is the fact that, you know, this came from 36 cents and it's up at $1.15, and there was never any major sell-off. You know, I have to believe at some point it's going to happen, but look at this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is almost half an hour, almost 35 minutes of just kind of holding in this area. And to me, that is remarkable. I mean, a stock that's come from 36 cents, 37 cents, and now it's at $1.18 and no major sell-off. It's amazing to me. Interactive Brokers, you know, kept flashing. You know, it wasn't easy to short. Not that I really wanted to, but anyway, what makes the trade great? I have no idea. I mean, I don't. You know, normally what I'd be saying is, okay, there's some news, and it hit this moving average, and it came through that. Not even close. In fact, the 200-day moving average is 70 cents right down here. I guess you could argue it paused just a little bit there, but that didn't hold it at all. So I just had to show this one. This is, again, a little deviation from the normal, what makes this trade great. Just had to show it to you. And if you want this is where it came from, the penny stock explosion. Okay, you can see it right there now. And this is where it came from, the penny stock explosion. This is looking at stocks that are like 10 cents up to $2. All right, I want to get back in the room and see what happens to this one later on in the day. So I'm going to shut that down. Have any questions for me? You can use this email address. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.